think you should have seen Temple Model and Marvel. That's video 1. You must see that, how our ancestors created such architectural marvels. Now we go to the next chapter, Temple Sorrowful. This is all during our period. What we failed to do, or what our commissions, omissions. It's all about it. Temple Sorrowful. Please go through. This is a divine message. You'll be blessed by the Almighty, and everything will be great for you. Your life will do spread this message video by sharing a service to God, or that by my name is there. So our ancestors constructed mammoth and beautiful temples. Temples were ample, which means plentiful, munificent, abundant, full, generous, liberal, bounteous, and they are able to do these architectural marvels when they didn't have electricity, diesel, cement, piles, foundation, front end loaders, concrete mixing. But anyway, I want to say that many other things happened in 1995, but last about 8 or 9 years, we started Temple Explora and working hand in hand with also the government. We could see some very good change. So let us go. What are the problems with the temples? Temples crumble, tumble, and in shambles. So for temples in shambles, 1, 2, temples crumble, temples irretrievable, temples unrecoverable, temple rubble. Uniqueness of temples has 30 points with several sub-points. Everything was told in the past tense, because most of the great features of temples are not there today in many temples. Temple tumble, and you can see how the pillars have fallen, there's a crack on the temple tower. Temple indescribable, trees grown and the temples not clear, removed, resulting in total ruin. So temple trample several, originality ruined, littering in and around temples, urinating outside the temple, dropping of prasadam on the floors, defacing the walls of temples, scribbling on the temple walls, improper parking of vehicles, noise pollution, plastic pollution, spitting outside the temple, encroachments around the temple, abandoned Nandavanam and temple parks, vandalism statues and architectures, burning garbage, not removing trees growing on the temple gopuram, poster pollution, light pollution, so many things. Okay, now you see this is dropping of prasadam floors. Prasadam, if you think something very sacred, how we can do this, and it's also dirty. We dirty the floors. Temple scribble, the people scribble. This all heritage value is there. We spoil it, and for silly things, people use the wall and deface the wall. And menial, so they put who donated the tube light. Temple salival, people keep spitting, and it's very bad. And temple wild jungle, Nandavanam all became jungle due to non-maintenance. Temple acoustical, deafening decibel, so much noise. So temple, when you go there, subliminal, minds are, you must be able to meditate, but you can't do that with the noise. Temple littering habitual. See, the temple are everywhere. People keep littering. Temple miserable, garbage in our own temple. Temple victims of gross insanitation. Temple ordeal. Local bodies use space outside as garbage, transit dump site, transit stations. And temple suffocation. On the pavement, in the midst of filth, people burn garbage. Temple sorrowful. Begging does not speak well in comparison to achievements inside the temple. Temple in cesspool. Lack of sewerage results. Cesspool of sewage in another temple, creating unhygienic conditions. This paves way for breeding of mosquitoes, besides the regular problems created by stagnated sewage. Temple inaccessible. See, the platform vendors and vehicles parked. And then temple traffic, no control. Temple made urinal. Temple pollution, visual. Temple visual, visual is here. It's come here. And then temple bragful. People put banners, their personal bragging about themselves. But you are not able to see it. Even temple tower. Temple shameful. You have wine shop near the temple. Tasmak shop. You see it here. Temple Alcohol is full. People come drunk and create problem, ruckus in the temple. Temple road unusable. Temple stray cattle rattle. Temple animal abnormal. Temple irresponsible. Problems created by temples, arches and dais on the road. Temple belittle. Politicians put their own arches in front of the great, ancestral arches. Temple embezzle. Temple properties, mobiles, including idols, antiques, arts, and sculptures were and are being stolen. Invaluable temple lands have been encroached, plotted out, and sold. Temple buildings have been trespassed. The occupants don't pay rent. Once the value of immovable properties was more the government. Temple swindle, even idols. So these idols, Panchalok, we can't make today, but it's all made by ancestors, sold for several crores of rupees abroad. They replace idol with a doll, what I mean, fake idols. And then temple burgle, temple undis are broken, cash stolen. Temple land grab illegal, so temple valuable land are encroached. So temple disabled, disrupt temple ponds and tanks, blocking the pond inlets, allowing silt formation, not introducing rainwater harvesting, storing the rainwater, feeding fishes with unauthorized food, polluting by bathing and washing clothes, allowing growth of weeds and hyacinths, blocking the pond outlets, not desilting, unauthorized quarrying, allowing wastewater into the pond, allowing encroachments, dumping of solid waste. So many things we do with regard to pond. You can see how temple pond become epidemical. Dirtying temple ponds by taking baths, washing mouth and drinking the same water. Temple ponds strangle. Dirtying the temple ponds by washing clothes, detergent soaps. Temple pond lacricycle, polluting the temple ponds by dumping garbage. Temple pond fecal, polluting the temple ponds by letting in sewage. Temple ponds weeds detrimental, number of weeds and hyacinths. Temple pond algae, shrubs undesirable, non-removal of shrubs and algae. Temple ponds encroachment deplorable. Temple pond piggery harmful, pigs are reared around the temple ponds. Temple dried ponds unacceptable, ponds are getting dried with no rain water harvesting. Temple problematical, suddenly we see the so-called temple like a water bubble appearing at the platform, pavement, pedestrian path, sidewalk. Temple external chapters will not encourage construction of patterns of pavement, pedestrian temples, which overnight appear like a water bubble and sometimes disappear same as water bubble. Empathize a blind and old walking on the pavements or the pedestrian path. External has 10 years campaign by the name Platform. So temple trouble on the pedestrian path. People construct as income. If you have no income, construct one on the pavement. Why people patronize care of platform temples? Convenience, instant worshipping like instant coffee, the laziness to go to temple, not enough time to go to temple, worship becoming a routine, not sincere. Footpath temple won't be overcrowded, there will be free flow of worshippers. Temple troubles due to platform temples. People construct temples on footpaths, platforms, gutters near garbage dump for other reasons, but they neglect our ancient old temples. Pedestrians cannot walk safely due to footpath temples. Temple on footpath and road cause traffic jams and accidents. Another reason for accidents, the drivers offer worship while driving the vehicle. The climax is not only temple blocks the traffic, the devotees who stand before and offer the worship to do it. Let us not forget that they also face risk of their lives. So temple hurdle on the road. Temple in the middle of the road cause people also construct in the middle of the road. If you go to Vadapain, you can see dozen temples like that. Traffic jams, road accidents, risk and inconvenience to pedestrians, air pollution, noise pollution, waste of fuel, loss of time to road users. So these are the problems where the road is constructed in the middle of the, you see the pictures. It's straight on the middle of the road. It's there in throughout all South Indian towns. Do remember these codes. Roads are meant for traffic of vehicles, pedestrian paths, platforms meant for walking by road users, including the visually and physically challenged. The right to walk is there. Place of worship or sacred must be on the hill, inside a garden or place reserved for it. By doing, you are doing a sacrilege by keeping the idols in dirty places with nasty surroundings. No one should change this rule. Should offer their worship in these temples. Temple suicidal. So bubble temple becomes trouble. So unauthorized temples are being pulled down by the local bodies and constructed in the middle of the canal. Temples becoming rubbles. So we had problems in Virugambakam. People are very often getting flood and they're losing their computer, TV, and all. We found out the reason was somebody constructed a temple on the middle of the canal, and with a very great difficulty. We told the corporation that it's actually this canal as full of sewage, so it's a sacrilege. Then we told the mayor to remove it. When he tried to do it, some so-called Hindu fundamentalist said if he arms the temple, he'll burn him, set fire himself. Then I wrote a letter to the mayor that my grandfather constructed 5 temples. I am there involved in many temples. If you don't remove this temple, I will set fire to my. Then the letter is able to pull down the the so-called temple on the middle of the canal, but virtual sewage. Temple stifled due to pollution. Temple sewage channel. Look at this, all pictures. I'm showing it fast because out of time. Temple horrible in the pavement in the midst of mountains of filth. Temple hateful. Every year several bloody clashes take place. Casteism, ego, who should get first respect, Mudal Maryade and all. Temple communal. Bloody communal clashes take place based on religious beliefs. So if a weak heart don't see next pictures, it is animal sacrifice in temples. So we don't support it. God would never want one creation of him, humans sacrificing another creation of him. God never wants it, but this you must see it. So in Nepal and all, there's a color discrimination. Buffaloes, you can do that. Buffalo is dark, and same thing with regard to cow, they won't do. Ox, they will sacrifice the male. So we have a gender bias. Female baby fetus is animals opposite. So next picture definitely you will be horrified, but anyway you must see. We should stop this. This is what you see again. Animal cruelty, animals in a mountain nation. So you see all the other chapters, temple, model, marvel. You must see that how our ancestors created. Temple sorrowful. Just now you saw it. Temple emulational, inspirational. You are going to see it how some beautiful models are created along with Exnora. Temple resourceful. Temple Seva roles for devotees. Exnora Tree Challenge. Exnora Seva. External Training Institute, Humanity Divinity Bank and Temple. Temple Outreach. Temple Tranquil. Temple Pinnacle. Temple External. Jivan Shastra, Mani Shastra, Model 0 in and 0, all these things are there. This is my contact address, and you can see this and pass and see. So I'm available in WhatsApp. I'm also there in Facebook page. You can see facebook.com Garbage Logist, LinkedIn, Instagram, Gmail, 3 YouTube accounts are there. At least 1,000 and odd videos are there. You must see them. Twitter, best way is at Amy Nirmal. Please follow me. And this all, what others have told, I'm skipping that for want of time. I want to say a big thanks, and so I want to say, you will see following this, what you should do. The addition is there, you will see it. So time being, I want to say best wishes, and I take leave. I'm M.B. Nirmal. I'm 78 years old. I've been doing social service for 50 years. Actually 60 years, from the age of 18. And I started Exnora in the year 34, Clean India movement. That's all about me for the time being. And other videos you will see. I want to say big thanks to you for your patience and indulgence.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and click the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. In case you have missed any videos, please visit the channel page by clicking the channel icon.